One product can give you $7,000. You think it's not true? Let me show you. This is proof to show that it's possible. One product, $7,000. I'm going to show you exactly how that happened. Product I'm talking about is an electric bike. If you're wondering, electric bike, really $7,000? So this is it. It's one product, but not one sale. All right. There are several sales that made that $7,000, but you could use just one product. And this is Alibaba. Now, with Alibaba, you could, I'm sure you know Alibaba by now, you could simply just go on Alibaba and make a purchase. But then sometimes with Alibaba, you have to buy more than one. Like you see here, two pieces. So this is what I did. I made sure that I made a lot of buzz around the electric bike by using Pinterest. All right. If you're subscribed to my channel, you know I talk about Pinterest a lot. I use it a lot because they have an amazing traffic rates, right? I mean traffic, not car traffic. I mean visitors, all right? Now, if you come in here, you see that there are a whole lot of electric bikes in here for different amounts. And this is what I did. If you see up here, you notice that there are ads running up here. I mean ads on for electric bike on Pinterest. You see this one here, this one down here is $831, meaning somebody's running an ad for it for $831. This is for Walmart and this is for $1,489. This is for AliExpress. So AliExpress is running ads here. This is what I did. I also ran an ad on Pinterest, but I sold mine for $4,000. Right, one bike for $4,000. If you're wondering, did I invest in any of this? I did not. I simply drop shipped it. So what I did was when I get an order from this, I have a sales page that sells the electric bike. Now, first of all, let me tell you why electric bike or why I recommend you using an electric bike. An electric bike is good because right now it's buzzing. The whole world is going from, is heading from, I mean, leaving fossil fuel down to green energy, meaning like electric cars, electric bikes, and electric things, and even smart homes. So this is the best time to get into this particular business. Electric bikes are booming at the moment. So let me show you something. Let's go on Google Trends and just see what's there. All right, the last time I checked, it might have changed, but let's find out. So trends, Google Trends. Let's see what's happening in Google Trends. We'll click on the first link that pops in there. We're trying to find out, is electric bike still booming or still relevant? Click on Google Trends to open up, then click on Explore, click on or type electric bikes. Let's see what's going to give it to us. All right, I will make some tweaks, but let's leave it in Nigeria first and see what's happening. Nigeria is a bit low for the past 1 day. But if we do a tweak here, we'll learn more. Let's see for the past 30 days, what's happening with it in Nigeria. Also flat up, this is not good. But let's go to a country like USA. Like I always say, when you're doing drop shipping, make sure you target countries who have disposable income to buy things. Right now, say electric bike for the past 30 days, it's on the high. Like I said, you would make a lot of money because it is booming at the moment. If we check in, let's check for the past 7 days. Past 7 days, it's still doing very well. Let's check for the past hour. That's going to be tricky. It's going to be flat, but you see, it's doing very well. So let's go for the past 12 months. I'm going to show you. See, up, down, but it's still in a very good place. Let's go to the UK. Let's check it out. UK, see if electric bike is doing well. You see, it's doing very well. So there are some products you don't sell in some countries, like I always say. Don't sell electric bikes in places like Ghana, places like Nigeria and whatnot. You will make some sales, but then in general, the approach to it is very expensive. And these countries are also very still used to fossil fuel, So not everybody is looking to go green yet in countries like that. Or in countries like, let's check another country. Let's check Canada. Check Canada, right? Let's see what's happening in Canada. You see, if it goes down, it's coming back up. This is just to show you this for the past 12 months. So let's check for the past 7 days in Canada. Let's see what's happening. Okay, so spike down. All right, so nothing. Canada is not as juicy as America. I mean, based on this data. But let's check for the past 30 days. That's like 1 month. So you see, and April-ish, it went April 4th. It went nosediving, but this is just to show you that product makes sense. All right. So if you want to get into a product, looking for one product to sell, look at products from the angle of looking to the future. Right. Don't sell product that will just last test of time now. Sell product or recommend product or market product or promote product that would stand the test of time as far later in the future. Will people be willing to, from now to the next 6 months and now to the next 1 year, 2 years, will it be relevant? I think electric bike will be relevant because people are trying to cut down costs. The world are trying to cut down the usage of fossil fuel, and humans are trying to cut down costs, and for fuel. So electric bike is just like a one-time fee. You pay that as if you are good to go and you can take these bikes anywhere you want to take them to. And they're very good, very durable. I have one myself, bought some to try them out, sold some of them. But I have one myself and this bike is doing very well. If you want me to show you my electric bike, let me know in the comment section. I might just take it on a test drive so you see it. But it's an awesome device to have, an awesome machine to have. So this is just to show you that you can make some $1,000 from one product. Now this is what I did. I sell mine for $4,000. Now from all I need to do is make 10 sales. All right, 10 sales, and I make a profit of about $2,500. How much is that? That's about $25,000. So all you need to do is sell bigger products. Sell product that will give you a lot of profit. Don't sell product that will give you $150. You want me to make a list, all right, on the type of product that you sell that will give you good profit in just few sales. Let me in the comment section and I would, you know, give you that list. I have the list already, so I can share that list with you. But electric bike is just one of them. And from time to time, I usually share with people who are subscribed on this channel different products to sell. Unlike other people who teach you drop shipping or teach you e-commerce, they don't want to tell you the kind of product that they sell. But I will tell you, all right? Because I think the sky is big for all of us. I don't see it as a threat, and my target might not be your target. So I'm really not scared of showing you what I sell. Okay? But the main thing is that know how to select the product. Okay? Know how to select the product that you get into. Just like me, I make sure I take my time in selecting the product. There's some things I look out for, some criteria I use in betting on the type of product I get into. So make sure that you also do that. You could just use this one if you want to. I want to make a video on how on the sales page I use for my electric bike, on the cost for it, the sales funnel, the adverts on Facebook, and my advert on Pinterest. If you want me to make a full video on how I sold about 21 units of electric bikes, let me know in the comment section and I'll make a complete tutorial. It might be a long one because I'm going to start from the sales page. All right, I already have the supplier for that, and I also let you know how I got the supplier. I can make that video. But then if you want us to build you a business that would sell products like this, high-end products, not just electric bike, there are other products I sell that give good commission from one sale. There are products that can give you $6,000 commission from one sale. All right. So if you want me to make a video like that, create a business for you, all you just need to do is just take and manage. Let me in the comment section. We do that. We'll create a business for you, a dropshipping business, a profitable one that you could start up immediately. We'll create it for you, manage it for some time, and then pass it back to you. When we pass it back to you, the business will have made at least one sale. That's it. So if this is the kind of things you like, or this is like music to your ears, subscribe to the channel, click on the bell button, and smash on the share button so that you can share this with somebody who thinks might like. Check the description and I will leave links, relevant links, that you can go and get started. I have other videos. Like you see, these are several videos. If you watch it to the end, you see I have several videos on how to get started with dropshipping. But again, like I said, if you want a one-on-one session with me, let me in the comment section, or if you want us to create and pass a profitable dropshipping business to you like this, let me know. But then if you also want us to do a video on how we did all of this, also let me know and we'll approach them as we go. Feel free to ask your questions as I'm very happy to answer them for you. This is Cash by Titas, and I hope you watch the next video that pops in your screen, and see you in the next one.